those waves up, you can't be like struggling. It's because it's so flat here, isn't it?
God, this is a bit rickety. I've got a bit of a confession to make. Okay, so here's the thing. Last Sunday, me, Kate and two of her friends went down to Feock. Now there's this lovely tiny little beach called Loe Beach, which you can find in Fiat. They rent paddle boards, they rent kayaks. It's fantastic. The confession that I've got to make is that I didn't actually make a video, and it made me realise that sometimes you just need to be in the moment. I did take the GoPro with me, and I kind of filmed it like a first person kind of view. So I'm going to try and Frankenstein this video together so that I can still show you what happened. So let's start 5 days ago at Feock. So this time around I found it a lot easier to stand up. It's because there's no waves, that's the main thing. I mean the day started like any other sort of Sunday where I'd go out and have a bit of fun. Kate rented a kayak and her friends have rented a paddleboard and a kayak, and obviously we had the other paddleboard which we could use as well. One of the beauties of this Loe Beach is that there was hardly any waves, absolutely like pretty much nothing all the way, which meant standing up was a lot easier and everything. And that was it. I was standing, I was hardly falling over. Yes, okay, we all fell in a few times, apart from the girls in the kayaks. And then we thought it would be fun to swap around and let the girls have a go. So what was the verdict?
That's pretty good, isn't it?
Canoeing or paddleboarding? Kayaking?
Paddleboarding, yeah.
So all in all, what did I prefer? Paddleboarding was, in my opinion, more fun. Kayaking was probably a little bit easier because you can sit down. And for the times that I wasn't standing on the paddleboard, it really does give your thighs a good workout. But I suppose that the sort of main thing I took away from that was, for a change, it was nice just to be able to go out and just not have to think about putting a story together. Obviously I was still going to film it because I like to record everything, but sometimes it's good just to look up and pay attention to what's around you and not constantly be worrying about the camera or anything like that. Sometimes I think it's just worth not having your phone on you, because obviously we're in the sea, so there were no smartphones. I had a GoPro which was in my life jacket, and it was just nice to just take in what we were doing. And sometimes I think, especially in this day and age, that kind of gets lost a little bit because We've always got social media, we've always got our phones with us. I'm always filming something, and it was just nice. It was just nice to just be out and just be in the moment. I should probably mention as well that I'm at Argyll Reservoir. I've made a few videos where I've come here before, so here it is. It's beautiful. It's a nice place that I can just come and tell you the story of what we did the other day.
All right.
Bloody swans. That's pretty much all I've got to say to you is make the most of every day, look up from your phone, and don't forget to love Sundays. And I'll see you next week. Does anyone else need a haircut? I'm starting to feel like Ken Barlow.